Good morning students. Welcome to my YouTube channel Kashwar Sir Classes. Today we are in a third part of the brainstorming in the novels lesson To Serve with Love. Students, today we are going to deal with the activities on theme of the novel extract. Today we will continue with the A4 activity number 1. When the turn of my class came, I sat up anxiously. Why was the narrator anxious? Explain the statement by citing suitable references from the extract. Now students, here we have to answer this question. Now, do you know who is the speaker? He is Braithwaite. Now Braithwaite, who is the author of this novel, he wants to tell us about the feelings which are going on at that time in his mind. Now here what he is saying, that when the turn of my class came, I sat up anxiously. Why is saying so? Because what happens that actually when the narrator was there in the school, Green Slade School, initially he had a great problem with the students. The students, they were not cooperative. They just behaved very wrongly with him. His students, they just tried to harass him. But with his innovative methods and some ways, he tried to develop a discipline, as well as he tried to show them the world, how the world is and how the people are, with many means and dare. He ultimately wins the heart of his students. Okay, the narrator, when the day was there, it was half-yearly report of Students' Council, and there the headmaster as well as the teachers and students from all classes were present. And as the turn of this Braithwaite's class was there, he became curious how my students will speak, how they will represent the class. Okay, all those just worries were there. And his class was the higher class, and so obviously the expectations were also high, and so he was actually in a curious mood, and the program, it was also very serious and formal one, and he was anxious to know how his students, they will present the class before all of them. Okay, now here the A2 activity means A4 second activity. Select two statements that describe the theme of the extract. Here, A half-yearly report of the Students' Council was not an important event for the students and teachers of school. No, it does not match the theme. The writer was immensely pleased to notice the progress of his students. Yes, obviously this one is there. Then C, the students showed a remarkable change in their behavior and were progressing in all the subjects. Yes, this is also. Then D, the head of the institution was against conducting such activities in the school. No, this is wrong. So this is not suitable one. Now the third activity, the relationship between the teacher and the students is highlighted in the extract. Illustrate with suitable examples from the extract. Now here I would say that the extract, it talks about the student-teacher relationship. Here actually the program is about, the extract is about the program of the half-yearly report of Students' Council, how it is taking place. Again here how the students they themselves prepare for this program. Okay, they were given full freedom. Denham, Miss Joseph, they just arrange everything. They were looking after whether the arrangements were up to the satisfaction. Okay, then one by one the students they were presenting their class. Okay, then again at the end there was Braithwaite's class. Okay, again they have chosen randomly 3 teachers who would answer the questions of the students that they have raised there. Okay, they have to answer whatever questions are put to them by the students. Again here various students of different type, Furman, Denham, and again other students were also there. Again Miss Philip, she was also there, and she answered very skillfully. Earlier she was understood as or actually she was felt as freely, and again she was not actually a witty teacher as considered, but at the end she the way she put forward the argument, and again the way she answered Denham, really it was great. And so here this program is a serious and formal one also, and even though it has given a good amount of freedom to the students to present their own views, and here all those things they really talk about the relationship between the teacher and students. Okay, and so here that is the theme of the extract that is highlighted in the extract. Okay, then explain the next question. It is explain in brief the theme of the extract. So what is the theme of the extract? Here the theme of the extract is the student teacher relationship. Okay, and here again the things that took part in the extract, these are the proceedings of the half-yearly report of the Students' Council. It shows the improvement in the conduct, the behavior of the student, and again the increase in the increase of the confidence of the students also, and they were very courteous also. That is also noteworthy to know here, that students from author's class, they have become confident, respectful, and they have become matured enough to handle such situation. Okay, so they could look after everything. They could look after the arrangement also. They could do well, prepare well, and so really that is awesome. Okay, and that is the theme of the extract. Then the next question: describe the atmosphere of the school described in the extract. So how is the atmosphere of the school? Here the school, it is actually the event that is taking place. It is about the half-yearly report of the Students' Council, and there the auditorium of the school was chosen. There the headmaster, again the teachers, all the students, they were present there. The school gives enough freedom to the students to express their own feelings, to raise their questions and get the answer also, so that Denham could go to that extent and could say that PT is useless and I don't want to do it. The students who need it, they should go for it, or should be forced to attend it. All those things means here it is a kind of freedom that the students have got, that they can freely express their views. That is great. Okay, again another thing, that is the presentation of the students. The lower class students, they have started presenting, but their speech, it was also very short one. But as the classes they go from lower to higher, at that time there was a kind of seriousness, there was a kind of enough study, as well as the length of the speech, the way that they have convinced, all those things, they were great. Okay, again here the students, they were serious, they were formal, and as well as they were frank also. When there was a kind of joke that was created by presenting the kind of model, okay, at that time also the students, they have just been in a fervor of laughing. Okay, so it is the freedom that the students have got, and they could express their views freely also. Okay, so it is just a kind of democratic setup that the students have got in that school, and that is the atmosphere of the school. Okay, and here we will move on to the next question. Now here the type of question, they just changes here. Now here we will go through the language type of questions. Okay, the language type of questions are here, and here we will go through them. The first question: explain the following statements that enrich the language. Okay, that enrich the language and create a powerful impact. फर्स्ट वन है यहाँ पे, कौन सा है? मिस फिलिप इज ट्रांसफर्ड इनटू अ वेरी कन्विंसिंग पर्सनालिटी। ये बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग क्वेश्चन है स्टूडेंट्स। तो यहाँ पे मिस फिलिप जो थी वो अर्लियर शी वॉज कंसिडर्ड एज अ फ्रीली एंड ब्रेनलेस लेडी, शी वॉज कंसिडर्ड एज दैट। ओके, व्हाई? बिकॉज she was not given any such type of any opportunity to present herself, or again the students have never experienced her, and so she was considered that freely and brainless. Okay, but when Denham was there and he just was argumentating about really the PT is needed for the students. At that time the three teachers were there, and amongst them the earlier two teachers could not satisfy the students, and again one of the teachers has said that it was just useless argument. It is not the argument actually. There she intervened, and she came forward, and again she spoke without losing her temper. She just coolly answered that Denham, he was very blunt, and again he was very argumentative, he was very critical also. At that time she answered that the whole timetable in the school was meant to help the students in the world after they left school, and doing what one was meant to help the students in the world. Actually it is in spite of not liking it, it is part of the training. She again said that she was sure that Denham saw the importance of what she had said, because he was a boxer, and he could develop the skill of boxing only because of doing enough physical exercise. And so as mental exercise is necessary, the same way here physical exercise is also necessary. The teacher who was considered brainless by the students and again the colleagues himself, colleagues themselves, all those people, they were really convinced with the way she puts forward the arguments, and so she is transferred into a very convincing personality. ये इसका आंसर है। ठीक है, अभी इसके बाद में बी, there are many features of language that contribute the smooth sailing, ठीक है, of the plot. तो यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन बराबर देखिए, स्मूथ सेलिंग ऑफ द प्लॉट। तो यहाँ पे हमें क्या बताना है? फीचर्स ऑफ लैंग्वेज आपको यहाँ पे बताना है, दैट दे कंट्रीब्यूट टू द स्मूथ सेलिंग ऑफ द प्लॉट। प्लॉट यानी यहाँ पे स्टडी। तो यहाँ पे आपको बताना है कि कुछ यहाँ पे कोट्स है, कुछ एक्सप्रेशन्स है, कुछ फ्रेजेस है, इनको यहाँ पे कोट करना है. आता कोणती आहेत ती? These expressions are like the school showed its approval by laughing uproariously. uproariously है यहाँ पे. तो ये कब है? जब वहाँ पे मॉडल प्रेजेंट किया गया, वो स्क्रू से टाइटन था और उसके बाद में वो इट वॉज जस्ट केम हैंगिंग देयर. इट वॉज ब्रॉट बाय 2 स्टूडेंट्स. ठीक है ना, उनके नाम भी दिए हुए वहाँ पे. तो ये जब वहाँ पे देखते वो बच्चे, तो एट द टाइम देयर वॉज अ लाफ्टर. और एक है जैसे वहाँ पे फरमन वॉज वंडरफुल. ओके, ही हैड देम ईटिंग आउट ऑफ हिज हैंड. ये एक है यहाँ पे. इसके बाद में फ्रीली एंड सीमिंगली ब्रेनलेस, ये एक वहाँ पे एक्सप्रेशन यूज किया हुआ है. मिस फिलिप टूक द reins and her stock promptly shot up 100-fold. और एक एक्सप्रेशन है वहाँ पे शुगरी रिमार्क्स. और एक है her baby blue eyes twinkling in her delight at this crossing of staves. और एक है वहाँ पे this freely innocent looking puss had gobbled her canary without leaving the tiniest feather. ये कुछ एक्सप्रेशंस है यहाँ पे विच जस्ट कॉन्ट्रीब्यूट टू द स्मूथ सेलिंग ऑफ द प्लॉट. यानी कैरेक्टर को वो एक्सप्रेस करते हैं, थीम से, सेटिंग से वो एक्सप्रेशन मैच करते हैं. और यही वर्क होता है लैंग्वेज का. जिस तरह का वहाँ पे एक सेटिंग है, कैरेक्टर है, उनके हिसाब से वहाँ पे लैंग्वेज डील की जाती है, जिससे कि वहाँ पे वो कुछ अटपटा ना लगे और वहाँ पे वो हेल्प करे प्लॉट को समझने के लिए, सब्जेक्ट को समझने के लिए. ओके, सो हियर दीज आर द मेनी फीचर्स ऑफ लैंग्वेज. इसके बाद में बच्चों सेकंड एक्टिविटी, देयर आर सम डायलॉग्स ऑफ द मेजर कैरेक्टर्स इन द एक्सट्रैक्ट. फाइंड आउट हु द स्पीकर इज, हिज हर टोन, द स्टाइल, सिग्निफिकेंस. यहाँ पे क्या करना है आपको? स्पीकर पहचानना है सबसे पहले. उसके बाद में उसकी टोन कैसी है, स्टाइल कैसी है और सिग्निफिकेंस. ये 4 बातों को आपको हाईलाइट करना है. पहला क्या है वहां पे? वो है स्पीकर. कौन है वो पहचानना है. तो यहां पे आप देखिए ये सेंटेंस आपको दिख रहा है. कौन सा यहाँ पे? पहला वाला. तो पहला वाला है वो, then why do we have to do PT? Why don't they take only the kids who need it? यहाँ पे ये पहला वाला जो स्पीकर है इसका, अभी पहले में सेंटेंस में इसमें स्पीकर जो है ही इज डेनहैम. अभी सेकंड यहाँ पे बात जो हमें बतानी है टोन. तो टोन कैसी है यहाँ पे? हिज टोन इज इनिशियली ब्लंट. ओके, सिवियर थी वो, स्टर्न लाइक, क्रिटिकल, आर्गुमेंटेटिव और विदाउट एनी रिस्पेक्ट आल्सो. देन why he is speaking like that? Because he is a trained boxer and he thought that I do not need such physical exercise, that PT. Okay, so I don't need it. तो एक हाई लेवल की उसको ट्रेनिंग चाहिए थी और पीटी जैसे जो एक थिंग जो है वो उसकी कोई ज़रूरत नहीं, ड्रिल्स की ज़रूरत नहीं, ऐसा वो सोचता था. ओके, ही डज नॉट वांट टू डू पीटी एक्सरसाइजेस विच ही फील्स आर अननेसेसरी फॉर हिम. हाउएवर, जो मिस फिलिप जो होती है उसको वो बताती है कि व्हाट इज द नीड ऑफ डूइंग दोज थिंग्स. ओके, तो वो समझ में आ जाता है उसको. तो यहाँ पे वो जो है वो एक्सेप्ट करता है अपना डिफीट और उसके बाद में फिर वो एक लूजर होके भी ही एक्सेप्ट्स हिज डिफीट देयर. ठीक है ना. तो ये उसका एक सिग्निफिकेंस यहाँ पे हम बता सकते हैं. कळलंय तुम्हाला काय करायचं यहाँ पे? यहाँ पे हमें पहली बात यानी स्पीकर, डेनहैम स्पीकर है. टोन कैसी है? क्रिटिक है, ब्लंट है, डिसरिस्पेक्टफुल है यहाँ पे। स्टाइल कैसी यहाँ पे, तो वो भी स्टाइल का ही, जैसे कि लैंग्वेज कैसी यहाँ पे, इम्पोलाइट है। और ही डजेंट वांट टू ज्वाइन पीटी। सिग्निफिकेंस क्या है, तो पहले वो ब्लंट था, लेकिन उसके बाद में जब उसको कन्विंस किया जाता है, मिस फिलिप जो है वो वहाँ पे क्लियरली वहाँ पे बताती है कि व्हाट इज़ द नीड ऑफ डूइंग पीटी एज अ पार्ट ऑफ स्कूल टाइम टेबल है, और स्कूल छोड़ के जाने में भी उसका यूज़ होता है उसके बाद में भी। तो इसलिए ये सब बातें बताने के बाद में फिर वो उसको एक्सेप्ट करता है अपनी डिफीट, ठीक है ना। इसके बाद में फिर यहाँ पे नेक्स्ट जो एक्टिविटी है, सेकंड सेंटेंस जो है ये है बच्चों, यहाँ पे देखिए, लेट्स से इट इज एज मच एज एन एक्सरसाइज ऑफ द माइंड एज इट इज ऑफ द बॉडी। डेनहैम, तो ये सेंटेंस जो है, इट इज एक्चुअली द स्पीकर, शी इज मिस फिलिप्स, एंड she answers Denham's question. At that time she has uttered that particular line. तो यहाँ पे हम बताएंगे कि there is a kind of honesty and authority also in her speech. Okay? क्योंकि वो इंटरप्ट करती है, बीच में ही खड़े होती है वो। जैसे पहले दो टीचर जो है आंसर देते हैं, तो वहाँ पे एक टीचर जो जैसे फेल हो जाता है, he felt that there is no argument at all. लेकिन बच्चों का सेटिस्फैक्शन नहीं होता यहाँ पे, किसी का भी नहीं होता सेटिस्फैक्शन। तो यहाँ पे जिस तरह से मिस फिलिप खड़ी होती है, उसके बाद में जब वो बोलना चालू करती है, तो देयर वाज अ काइंड ऑफ अथॉरिटी लाइक फीलिंग। इसलिए हम इसको बोलेंगे कि देयर इज ऑनेस्टी एंड अथॉरिटी। और उसके बाद में फिर वो बताती है, एक्सप्लेन करती है कि दैट इट इज़ अ काइंड ऑफ टाइम टेबल दैट इज हेल्पफुल टू द स्टूडेंट टू एडजस्ट टू कोप विद द सिचुएशन व्हेन दे लीव द स्कूल। ओके, and once they leave the school, that it will certainly going to help them again once they complete their education in their future life also, this thing is going to help them. Okay, और कोई चीज़ें, कुछ चीज़ें ऐसी होती है कि दो we do not like them, we have to do them, तो it is a part of training and they should do it. Okay, and then she confidently asserted that she was sure Denham also really got the help of doing it in his life so that he could become a good boxer. तो ये एक जो भी सजेशन दिया हुआ है डेनहैम को मिस फिलिप ने, वो एक्सेप्ट करता है, और सभी स्कूल के बच्चों को भी और टीचर लोगों को भी वो पसंद आता है। एंड सो हियर ये उसका सिग्निफिकेंस है यहाँ पे, ये हम यहाँ पे बोल सकते। तो स्टूडेंट्स, यहाँ पे ये ब्रेनस्टॉर्मिंग एक्टिविटीज़ खत्म हुई है, तो वी विल स्टॉप हियर। और अपेक्षा करता हूँ कि आपको ये पूरे क्वेश्चन जो है ब्रेनस्टॉर्मिंग के, ये आपको समझ में आए हैं। सो वी विल स्टॉप हियर।